Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I really hope you're all doing very well. It's been a long time I've done a makeup video and I know you guys love it. My last few videos have been quite personal and I know you guys have been loving it. So thank you for the overwhelming response. I am quite amazed that so many of you wanted to know so much more about me. You guys wanted vlogs. I got them for you. A dedicated video on Maybelline really was long due for me because I love Maybelline products. Some of my favorite everyday products are actually from Maybelline. So guys, in this video I am going to be sharing some of my Maybelline favorites, my all-time favorite Maybelline products, and also try some of the new Maybelline products that I've got. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys full face of Maybelline, maybe in case I have all the products. If you are a makeup junkie, I don't think your makeup closet can ever be complete if you don't have Maybelline in it, and that's how much I love Maybelline products. Maybelline is the only affordable makeup brand that I swear by. It's that good and it's literally one of my favorites. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Of course, let's start off with priming our skin. So while I already have my moisturizer on, I will be trying the Master Strobing Cream by Maybelline. This is not one of my favorites because this is actually a try on, but since priming comes first in terms of the order of makeup, of course let's start with the priming product. I'll take really little because it's just a trial. This is how the product looks like. It's really shimmery actually, and I'm not the sorts who does very shiny makeup. I like a subtle glow on my face. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm taking very little because I'm very careful. Ooh, look at the glow. This is a shade Nude that I'm trying, and it's quite nice, especially if you want like a subtle glow only on the apples of your cheek. I don't anyway put too much highlighting products, but I think this is super glowy. This is super shimmery. So I think I'll save this for special occasions and not for everyday, because I'm not the sorts who does so much of glow on an everyday basis. But yeah, if in case I'm going out in the night or something, I can definitely use that. Though it blends well. I think it's nice. It's not creamy. It's more like it's a little thick, glittery. Look at the glitter on my hand. So yes, it's quite glittery, guys. While the strobe cream is super subtle and creamy, this is less creamy and more glowy. It's like a liquid highlighter, I would say. But I like the glow. I think the glow is quite nice. A nice subtle glow before I start my makeup. So before my foundation, you can already see that I have a nice glow on my skin. So while I'm used to using a strobe cream, I think something like this is quite nice as well. A little goes a long way, and try not using it on the entire face. It will look too glowy. I think you should just use it on your cheeks and it will work well. I'll link all of the products down below, guys, for you guys to see. It's like a affordable strobe cream, so it's nice. Moving on to base products. So yes guys, I swear by Maybelline basically for their base products. I think they do the most amazing foundations and concealers, and I can't live without them. That's how much I love Maybelline face products. So two of my absolute holy grail products from Maybelline are Matte Fit Me Foundation. I think every girl loves this. It's an affordable foundation and it's lovely. And the other is the Age Rewind Concealer. I can't do anything without these two products, and in most of my videos and pictures, guys, you'll see me using these. I'm not using my NARS or my IT Cosmetics, which are two of my favorite international brands for base products. I swear by the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and the Age Rewind Concealer. They are basically my go-to for any kind of base. This is the foundation that comes in. It comes with a pump, which is absolutely amazing. This is the Warm Nude 128 in the Maybelline Fit Me. You know, it's one of those lightweight foundations that give you like a subtle, natural sort of a finish. It's matte, yet it gives you a slight glow. It's amazing. So let's try this out. I don't put too much base products. I sometimes only use concealer or sometimes only use foundation because that works for me. If you're looking for affordable, great quality and good foundation that will last you long, look no further, guys. The Maybelline Fit Me is absolutely amazing. It's smooth as butter and it's amazing. So let me show you how the product looks like. Best part is there's a pump. So I'm going to take this much. This is how the product is. I'm using a buffing brush and let's spread this foundation out. It's such a beautiful product, guys. I love how it feels on my skin. It's lightweight, yet it gives you such a good natural coverage. I'm all for natural makeup. but this is such a buildable foundation that you can actually wear it to parties, in the day, in the night, whenever. If you're a starter, if you're in college, or if you're just looking for a good quality everyday foundation, one of the best, guys. What do you guys think? Isn't this such a beautiful foundation? It's so natural that I love it. So I take my time and let the foundation seep in. You can see it's such a nice coverage. It's such a beautiful foundation. This is the first Maybelline product that is my favorite, 128 Warm Nude. This is usually what I use for my base. The best concealer ever. This should be my 15th bottle because it's such a cute little packaging anyway. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I've been using this for the past, I think, 5-6 years. Heavy duty concealers end up becoming cakey in the under eye, at least for me. But this is the only concealer that works wonders for me. So this is my favorite. I think this is priced at about 600. Maybelline always has some amazing offers going on and their products are always on sale on Nykaa. You can get them at 30% off easy. I'm in the shade medium, guys. I spread it literally everywhere. Sometimes I only wear this concealer and it sorts my skin out like how. It just gives such a natural glow to my skin. I love it. This is my absolute favorite and my number 2. So let me just blend it in now. Very, very natural, super lightweight. It's literally a must have and you can't do without this concealer if you haven't tried it yet. It gives a very natural sort of a glow. Look at both the Maybelline products, how beautifully they've given me like the perfect base. Guys, I'm done with my base and both these products are my holy grail must haves from Maybelline, the Fit Me foundation and the Maybelline concealer. Moving on, guys, I'm going to be talking about the first eye makeup palettes I ever bought. You guys know I love my natural makeup looks and I like everything nude in terms of my makeup. This is the palette that I absolutely love from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Nudes. It's such a bestseller. This is such a must have for any girl because it has the most beautiful shades in terms of, you know, if you want to start off doing your eye makeup or if you like a subtle eye or if you like really natural makeup. I personally love a little bit of a brown smoky or like a little, just a subtle tinge of brown or black on my eyes or just a nude color or something like a natural color. It has some amazing brown and copper shades. It has a black if you want to do a black smoky. It has a gold if you're actually looking to go out. Bronze color as well. I think it's one of the most multi-purpose palette. You literally get your golds and your nudes and your browns and your black. Your shimmer and your matte, both shades get sorted in this simple palette. 12 shades here, but these are like a must have. I think this is priced at $8.99. It's such a good price, guys. So what I usually do is I take a lighter shade, something like a light nude shade, and I'll do it over my eyes. I don't do too much eye makeup, guys, as you guys know, but just a little bit of it. And you know, sometimes I take this color. It's such a beautiful color and just do it over my eyelids. I could build it up using a brown color as well. If you like subtle eye makeup, if you're starting off with your eye makeup, this is the first palette you should invest in. It's affordable, it's great quality, and it lasts really long, and it literally is all in one. I love this palette. This is my number 3 Maybelline must have. Highly recommend, guys. So yeah, my favorite affordable mascaras are actually both from Maybelline. Look at the state of these because I've overused them. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, one of the best Maybelline mascaras I have ever used. Really nice. It curls up your lashes very well. Right now this should have dried up because that's almost over, but I kept the empty for this video. I have to restock it, but a lot of times it's out of stock also. It's that popular. Again, great pricing, great product. The lashes look really pretty. It's still doing the job. I absolutely love this mascara. Very, very good. Highly recommend. I have used, I don't know, again 10 of these for an everyday, for my everyday looks and all of that. I always fall back to my Maybelline mascara. These are like the basic must-haves: foundation, concealer, eye makeup. So while this is my number 4 favorite from Maybelline, I have another Maybelline mascara that I highly recommend, and I've seen a lot of people love it, and this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Even this is absolutely amazing. The wand is a little different, but it does the job very well, guys. I'm a total mascara girl, and I feel like if you have mascara, you're sorted. A lip balm and a mascara and you're sorted, and maybe a tint. You can never have enough makeup anyway. But this is also a really, really good mascara. It curls up your lashes very well, defines them, separates them, all of that. So both of these are my absolute favorite. If you're looking for affordable mascaras, get any one of them and you'll be sorted. If I have to choose between the two, I would still choose this one. Highly, highly recommend both these Maybelline products. A highlighter that I got recently from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome highlighter. This is from the Master Chrome collection. This is the metallic highlighter, and I've recently started using it. This is actually part of my new try-ons. It's not a favorite yet. Look how pigmented this product is. So if you like a little bit of a glowy sort of a look, I don't use a brush for highlighter. I just take it on my finger. And look how beautiful. It's very nice. Of course it's buildable. You can use as much as you want, but I think it's quite nice, and I use it usually on the high points of my face. You're basically sharpening your face or the look of your face. So I really like it. It's really soft and smooth also to apply. Also it's very easy. So I really like it. If you're looking for an affordable highlighter, I think this is amazing. Moving on to a lip product. I think one of the most used lipstick this year since the first lockdown has been this lipstick. This is actually the last product, guys, in my list. I have literally used this lipstick every day, in every video, in every reel, in every picture, and everyone asked me. I've recommended this lipstick to so many people, and I know so many people sent me pictures that they've bought it, that it's literally a must have. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. Guys, I'll mention the shade down below. I can't find it on the lipstick, and it's like a pinkish nude color. This is one of my most favorite pinkish nude lipstick I've ever bought. It's the smoothest lipstick I've bought, and there's so much product in it. It goes with everything. It became like my Velvet Teddy, to be honest. The MAC Velvet Teddy has been my favorite for past like 2-3 years now, and I've repurchased so many. Let me show you guys how this lipstick is. Can you see how beautiful this shade is? One of the prettiest pinks I've ever worn. It gives such a nice subtle, it's nude yet it's pinkish. It's like a muted pink. I love it, guys. So yes, this is my last favorite from Maybelline, one of the best lipsticks I've ever bought. Let's put this as a blush as well. I've never used it as a blush before, but yes, anything pink can be easily used as a blush. So I've never bought actually. I don't even know if they have a nice blush, but these are all the products that I've always used and I love. So yes guys, that is it. That brings me to the end of this video, and this is literally the full face of Maybelline. I've used all the Maybelline products that I love and are my favorite. Let me know what you guys think. It's time to open the hair, and this is the final look. Please comment down below if you have a Maybelline favorite. I'd love to give it a try if I have never tried it before. But these are pretty much some of my absolute favorite Maybelline products. Let me know what you think. I really hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.